So in this video, we're going to quickly show off the new Reflection version 3 stack. It's been completely rewritten from the ground up using native JavaScript, and it's got some really amazing new style options. So as you see, when you add Reflection to the page, we have the ability to define drag and drop images. Now you can supply just a single image, or you can supply a single image as well as another image that will be used for medium and large devices. Then you can define your alt tag. And of course, as with all of our image stacks, you can actually supply a URL to the images as well if you'd like to warehouse these images, or use this to integrate with something like Feeds and Total CMS. You can easily add a link, change the alignment options, define sizing and max width. Now let's look at some of the reflection styles. Here you'll notice that we can actually define a small gap between the image and the reflection. If you supply a negative number, that will actually pull the reflection up so that there's actually a negative gap. Then you can define the height. This is going to be the height relative to the image. So when I set this to be 33%, the height of the reflection is going to be 33% the height of my image. You can supply the opacity of that reflection. You can skew, as you see here, we're skewing that reflection to the side at an angle, and you can also blur that image. Now, we also have a reflection swatch that works really great with Foundation 6. And when you add this to the page, you have a lot of the same reflection style options. But what's really great is, like in this example, I can supply a reflection that will get applied to all of the images that I've defined within my swatch selector all at once. So as you see here, I have a uniform reflection that is applied to all images with a single swatch on the page. Now let's quickly look at the demos that we have on the product page, just to kind of see some of the amazing effects that we can see. Now we saw this demo here where I blurred and I've skewed that reflection so it goes off to the side. I've actually brought it up a little bit so the image kind of sits on top of it. This is a really great feel. As you see, it really blends in. It kind of looks like we're creating a drop shadow with the actual image itself. Here further down, we have just the most simple example where it's just a reflection that goes straight down. Here's an example where we have a straight down reflection, but it's just blurred. Here we have another one where it's skewed to the opposite side. It's a little bit smaller, as you see here. It's not quite as tall, but it's skewed to the side and slightly blurred. And then here we have an example where it's skewed to the side, but we've actually applied no blur. And then we added a little bit of gap. Now you see that it also gives us a nice effect where we can either have squared off images or actually give round corners to our images, which kind of really makes things look quite elegant. So I hope you enjoy Reflection. It really can add some really elegant designs to your websites.